begins in the date palm orchards, where ripe dates fruit are harvested by hand. With a precise cut, the heavy cluster is released, caught instantly in the waiting net. Each dates fruit cluster is carefully handled to preserve quality.
Hand-picked and carefully placed, these fresh dates are crated on site. Each wooden crate is checked for quality and the sorting. Initial sorting begins immediately in the field. Despite the challenging heat and dust, the workers meticulously load the harvest, crate by crate, ready for transport. From the heart of the orchard, the freshly picked dates begin their rapid journey to tables around the world. From farm to factory, every step is precisely timed.
The harvested dates fruit now travel from orchards to centralized processing facilities. Shifting into a higher gear, the truck surged forward, racing against the setting sun to deliver its vital supplies across the fjords. Maintaining product integrity during transport is critical.
Ensuring quality control is maintained. Every shipment must pass inspection before proceeding.
Papers, please.
Here you are. Time and temperature control ensure freshness of the dates fruit.
As the trucks arrive at the massive industrial complex, the journey of the dates fruit moves into the processing phase. At the facility, strict entry protocols are followed. Upon arrival, drivers proceed directly to an available dock. Our yard workers use forklifts to safely manage the fland. The dates fruit are now ready to enter the processing line.
Here, the journey of dates fruit continues inside a controlled processing environment.
Here at the unloading bays, our dedicated team ensures the swift and safe transfer of the fruit from the trucks into the processing line. Each batch of dates fruit is handled with precision from the moment it arrives. The pallet is weighed and the data immediately logged onto the system via tablet, allowing for a seamless transition to the entry conveyor. Strict hygiene protocols protect the quality of the dates fruit.
Welcome to the intake hall. Here, fresh dates are received on pallets and moved to our sorting lines for meticulous inspection.
From here, automation begins guiding the dates fruit through each stage. Moving through the climate-controlled tunnel, the dates are rapidly sorted and cooled before reaching the packaging facility. The dates fruit are now prepared for initial cleaning and sorting.
The dates fruit are evenly distributed to begin controlled cleaning.
The water runoff drains through the perforations as the belt advances toward the rotating drum, leading into the wash cycle. Gentle agitation ensures thorough cleaning without damaging the dates fruit. Excess moisture is removed to prepare for precise sorting.
Maintaining rhythm and accuracy, the remaining dates continue down the belt towards the automated grading unit for mechanical sorting. Mechanical graders separate the dates fruit by size for consistent processing.
The Factronixa. Utilizing advanced optical technology, the sorter rapidly scans the dates for imperfections. Defective fruit is instantly identically matched sekhta hai. Only the highest quality dates fruit proceed to the core processing stages.
The dates fruit are conditioned to achieve uniform softness and moisture.
The dates sit under regulated airflow, the steam haze ensuring the surfaces become supple. They then move on. Conditioned dates fruit are now ready for mechanical handling.
The dates are guided into single-file lanes by stainless steel rails, ensuring correct orientation for the pitting machines. Seeds are removed with precision to maintain structure.
As the main fruit conveyor curves forward toward inspection, the extracted pits are efficiently transported away on a separate system for by-profit. Quality is verified again after every critical step. Utilizing precision mechanical slicers, the dates are rapidly processed into halves and strips before merging onto a unified belt, streamlining the production flow.
The dates fruit are transformed into a uniform paste for further processing.
The rotating blades crush the dates into a thick, uniform paste. The mixture is then forced under pressure and
Stormans. The dates fruit paste is formed into a consistent base material.
As the date paste enters the mixer, natural syrup and oil are added from overhead hoppers for texture control.
Controlled mixing refines the texture and consistency of the dates fruit paste.
The mixed date paste is continuously extruded, forming uniform logs. These logs emerge onto the moving bellix. The material is shaped into uniform sheets for further refinement. The mixture enters the long cooling tunnel. Controlled airflow rapidly drops the temperature, stabilizing the structure, and
Structure stabilized, the dates fruit are ready for precision finishing.
Advanced automation ensures precise handling of every dates fruit batch.
The automated process guarantees exact spacing and hygiene as the fruit moves to the next stage of production. Precision cutting ensures uniform size and consistency in every dates fruit piece. Narrow conveyors guide each fruit bar into evenly spaced lines as small side paddles adjust the positioning automatically. Optional finishing treatments enhance texture and shelf life of dates fruit products.
High-intensity inspection lights scan for defects, size variation, and surface imperfections in real time. The automated system meticulously stacks the fruit bars into uniform layers, preparing them for the final packaging stage. The dates fruit now move toward final precision finishing stages.
Precision calibration ensures every dates fruit piece meets exact dimensional standards.
The soft rotating brushes gently polish the surface, enhancing the smoothness and shine of each bar.
Carefully controlled drying stabilizes the dates fruit for long-term storage. With exiting the drying tunnel, the bars cool rapidly on the conveyor. Their surfaces are now firm and stable as they align into tighter imprint. A subtle logo imprint is embossed onto the top of each date fruit bar before they move forward to the high-speed cutting balance. The bars are aligned perfectly by the machinery, with sensors confirming precise positioning as the lanes the turn tracks. The dates fruit are now ready for packaging and final quality verification.
Every dates fruit pack is checked immediately after sealing.
Quality control is paramount. Each package undergoes a thorough manual inspection for seal integrity before being transferred to the upper plies. Weight consistency is verified with precision instruments.
Approved packages continue forward on the conveyor, moving directly into the X-ray inspection unit for final analysis. Advanced imaging ensures internal product safety.
Samples are regularly and randomly selected from the production line, ensuring complete traceability through batch numbers before
Open that. Laboratory tests confirm the safety and quality of every dates fruit batch. The supervisor validates the sample's integrity using the digital interface. Upon approval, the system activates. With quality assured, the dates fruit products move to final packaging and distribution.
As the narrator continues, the cartons are sealed firmly on both top and bottom, then immediately move to the next belt for precise labeling.
Cartons pass through the automatic sealing machine, applying tape firmly. Labels are then quickly applied before the Congolese. Each dates fruit carton is labeled for full traceability.
Our automated palletizing system handles the date fruit cartons with precision, creating stable layers before transferring the components.
Pallets are secured to ensure safe transport. Once packaged, the date cartons are moved efficiently through the warehouse, ready for their journey to the customer. The operator aligns the forklift with the open dock, carefully raising the pallet of dates, fruit cartons, and extending holly loaded. With the pallets of dates securely loaded, the container doors are closed and locked. The shipment is now pelland. And this is how modern factories produce dates fruit from start to finish.